Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to check list of users in our system. Okay, so there is a command to open a particular file which is cat, and all the data of users is kept in one particular file which is in etc folder, and the file name is passwd. Okay, so here you can see all the users are listed here, and the users id, group name, group id, all the detail of the users are listed here. So that's the file name passwd. Okay, in that you will see all the details of users. Suppose we have to see the last users which is created, or the last 5 users on that particular file. So there is a command name tail. Okay, and then hyphen, give the number of lines you want to see, like I want to see last 5 users or last 5 lines of that file. So hyphen 5, and then the path of that file. So here you will see the last 5 lines are listed here. So that's it. So to see last lines, like if you want to see last 3 lines, then you have to write just here to hyphen 3 and see last 3 line are printed here. In my next video, I will show you how to add user and how to delete that user through command line. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.